Alright, it's March 12th, 2020. Future markets are closed. Last time I checked. Alright, it's said it hit the limit down, so they stock futures are. That's the reason stock futures are closed. So let's take a look over here. They reached the bottom or our blue support zone. They reached and even passed, so we can expect even a little bit further as it happened here. This is on 365 days. And as you can see over here, this never happened before, where they went with the EMA 8 over upper band, and they went twice. That's where shorting should have happened. So we'll see what the president, his cabinet is gonna do. How much this can go further down. It's gonna be allowed. 75.94, so 7,600. If it goes to this bottom, it will be pretty much 7,000. If it hits this support over here, we have a couple over here, but this is based on 365 days. If we'll look a little bit further to 2,000 days, a little bit different picture. There's a 7,400, the bottom of this white support line, which these indicators are the Quant007 moving median or pullback zone, but they can be used as a support and resistance zones, as a band, and other uses. If you watch videos, you can see that. If it goes all the way down to this one, that's a 6,800. That's even worse. And you can see again, a couple of times went over. Same stuff. Before that, every time would come to the even upper line and went above just a little bit with the price. It would be pulled back. You can see over here. Same over here. Look how close came EMA 8 again and pullback. See correlation with the EMA 8 on this side, and here there was a pullback also. But linear regression of 159 was a support here a lot of times. So plus this one here, 144. These are, I believe, Fibonacci numbers that I set on these support and resistance zone. 144. This one was 610. $9.97. Okay, see all the in 2016 July, where was the support? So if I would make this band down here, we would see the same, but markets are just going up. Okay, so you can see all of that stuff. So we could go, even if it goes all the way down here, they're talking about 6,800. Hopefully not. Hopefully somewhere by 7,000 is gonna turn around. that this would be support, which is almost the top of the blue line. So we'll just go what market says. I will keep eye on that. Gold is down, which usually gold goes opposite of what markets do. As you can see, NQ is halted, and then we'll keep eye on also on CL. There you go, 3060. Came down all night. And we're gonna use the minute bars, time bars, just because of conditions in the market. If it was slower, we would use different bars. Okay, before we continue, please read this disclaimer. It's very dangerous to trade futures or any financial instruments, stocks, options, bonds, anything, any financial instrument. Very risky. Past performance doesn't mean it's gonna happen, same. Markets are volatile. Trade only with, if you trade only with money you can afford it. Also, I'm not financial advisor. Neither this is for education. I'm not educational institution. Just for the game, or however you guys use it for. Okay, so please read this, stop the video and read it. We have another little bit over 3 minutes before the markets get open. We'll see what's gonna happen. Maybe before that we can make a trade on CL. It's too far out of the bands. We can just go and buy one.
Order filled. Order canceled.
It's just too far.
Order submitted.
Just keep it there. You can see over here every time comes, it does pullback. That was a big pullback there. You can see here. You can see right there, over here, over here. Those are all nice pullbacks, as you can see. Bands are set at EMA 39, vertical shift it's 0.15, and Byron one, it's also 39 EMA minus 0.5 vertical shift. So I think we're gonna have some reverse over here. Just because we're too far, looking back, that's what happens. So we'll be just a little bit patient. And see what happens. If it goes against us a lot, we'll buy another one, but for now it's a turning there. We're in profit a couple of ticks, which is fine. We just want to pull out some profit, few ticks, and we'll go on. Wait for another opportunities like here or here. Couple of 3 trades and we would be done. Also today is a rollover day, so March 12th, 2020, rollover day. Make sure you do that. Now they're into June contract. GC is April, CL is April too. Okay, let's see, we're almost there to our profit target. At the top of this bar, I'll move one tick down. So in case they come over here, just to the top, or hit just the bottom envelope line or band line. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a huge one.
Order filled.
Alright, we made 8 ticks
Order
on
canceled.
oil. Look at Nasdaq. Huge drop. Okay, let's. You can see there Nasdaq 74.80. We'll just move the oil for now. See if Nasdaq is going to return. Gold is not moving at all. So we'll see what ES is doing. Same over here. A huge gap. I think they're gonna try to go and get it. Let's just try to buy ES
Order filled.
at this point.
Order submitted.
That was it's a huge gap over here. Okay, Nasdaq is trying to go up. If Nasdaq goes, so ES is gonna go. Hoping at least to the top of this line. Oil is barely moving. You know what? We may just come out of ES.
Order filled.
We made some profit because Nasdaq is now pulling down. Let's wait for a better opportunity. There is. But we made a couple of trades and both are good. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do. I think I wanna buy ES right here.
Order filled.
go to the
Order
almost top
submitted.
of this bar. I would go and buy a Nasdaq
Order
too.
filled. Order submitted.
Okay, S&P 500 drops more than 6% at the open, so at 7% they're gonna stop it again. They're almost there, 6.92, that's what I'm seeing on CNBC. Oh, 7,400 is Nasdaq, minus 5, in negative 551, 1676, so 1700 Dow, 192. It's S&P. And I'm guessing they hold on that moving. I believe they halted the trading last time at 7% for 15 minutes. So we'll see what's gonna be here. It should be that they're halted now. Yep, that's 7% triggering New York Stock Exchange breaker. Trading hold for 15 minutes. Okay, while that's happening, let's take a look. Oil is again in oversold big time. Let's just buy it.
Order filled. Order canceled.
No, let me change this.
Order submitted.
It's just too far. If it goes again, we'll just we'll buy another contract. It's gonna be fine. Just because every time it pulls back, doesn't like to stay out of these bands that much. And then we'll look to get out of our contracts. With profit. Okay, let's go buy oil one more.
Order filled.
And then
Order submitted.
we have profit target there too. For this kind of trading, you need to have a little bit well-funded account, just because it can go against you. But looking at the past, didn't go that much. It would just pull back. There's great areas either to sell or to buy. This is like the furthest, I believe. Just buy a couple more.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Well, our target is here.
Order submitted.
Well, they're continuing with sell-off on the oil. Can't believe I'm seeing $30 oil. But could go further now, down even. Let's take a look at GC. Also, it's sold out.
Order
Good time to
filled.
buy. Let's put our
Order
profit at the
submitted.
top of this bar. There's a pullback. And there we
Order
go.
filled.
Alright. So far 752.5 points. Oil's continuing down, which is okay. This is like the furthest we've been. It's great opportunity to buy.
Order filled.
Alright. We'll just make more money when it comes our way. For now we have 7 contracts. So let's go to file over here.
Order submitted.
We'll leave oil for now, let it do whatever it wants to do. Haven't seen it this far out. Well, actually here. Yeah, continued, got a huge trend. But then you can see here where it came back. So even if it does this, we can cover. We are well funded. We can cover, so we can go. We can walk our price, average price, and make a good profit. But doesn't happen that often where they're gonna go with that big trend. As you can see, they'll go and come back. So this was the biggest trend over here. If it happens like this will be the bottom, like this here, where they start making the base, and then or you can wait for a price to get into the zone, make a pullback, and then go from this pullback, go long. This looks like happened last night. It says 20:10, that's 8:10 p.m. Alright, there they go. So looks like this trend is not that strong. Trend down, they wanna pull back. Let's see if they can reach our target. If they don't, we'll just be a little bit patient. Alright, let's minimize this. GC, nothing's happened. Let's go back
Order
to.
filled.
Alright, there's one.
Order filled.
Alright, we got our profits. Alright, the ES, they're gonna start pretty soon, a few minutes, and you can see bounce on the CL as big as it went down. I didn't care about waiting to go and hit the bottom of the band. With 7 contras, I'm happy just to pull out a few ticks, make a profit, and go on the next trade, because as you can see, you can have a lot of trades, so you don't have to make a home run with one trade, but you can make more than one home run with a bunch of trades. And you can see over here the 1102.5 points in 16 minutes. So we'll now focus and get out of our trades in the ES and the NQ. See if we can do that once they open. I'll talk to you when they open again. Take a look at the oil. So from pretty much $30, 31.01, and run all the way to 30.87, so 86 cents. Very nice run. So these are just great trades. Let it go out, and then the further it goes out of the band, the better pullback is gonna be. Even with this trend, that was a huge pullback. So about 30.70, 31.73 a dollar. That's a very good pullback. Wow, it's a huge. That means we got to buy more,
Order filled.
which is all good or fine. Not good for the markets.
Order filled.
All right. All we are doing is just
Order
because of the
submitted.
situation in the markets, we are looking for market to come out. Okay, I didn't see we were for a moment in positive. Let's fix it.
Order submitted.
If I saw it, I would come out when it was positive, but let it go. I was focused on Nasdaq. Let's buy a couple more here.
Order filled.
I'm hoping for some pullback.
Order filled.
So we can come out. We have 5 contracts. We're not gonna do more contracts for now. If they go to 13% down, there's gonna be another hold for 15 minutes, I believe. And if it goes to 20%, there's a whole day. Alright, Dow is 2147, S&P 231, Nasdaq 668, Russell 77 almost. VIX is 28.5% up, 15.36. Well, look for this. Actually, I'm going to go a little bit higher now. These are huge sell-offs. There's going to be these huge pullbacks. I'll buy a Nasdaq a little bit more,
Order filled.
just to try to come out a little bit sooner. As you can know, Nasdaq can move
Order submitted.
like crazy right there. we could see some huge covering at least for a short moment. By institutions or somebody. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq, we're right
Order
there.
filled.
Alright, Nasdaq, we're out. And right
Order
there.
filled.
Now let's close this.
Order filled.
Alright. There are results. This kind of trading, you just need to be funded well. Okay. It's huge drop down. And results are here. Look at this pullback. You can see oil still holding up. It's very much good time to short it now. You know, this kind of move. It's just over 31, this kind of move is gonna have a pullback. Let's prove that.
Order filled.
And
Order submitted.
just to get again few ticks. We can even come out right now if you want to. Go S&P. Huge wine and oil. Alright, let them go, let's sell
Order
more.
filled.
We'll go over here.
Order submitted.
Okay. Looks like they wanna come at least to the bottom on ES and NQ to the bottom of the bands right here for now. No, let me short oil one more contract.
Order filled.
And I believe one
Order
more.
filled.
There is a
Order submitted.
alright, they're touching the bottom of the bands. ES and NQ. Oil is in positive, you can come out right now if I believe they're gonna come to our profit target. That was in a couple of ticks. Alright,
Order
there we go.
filled.
Ah, we just need 2.5 points to 4,000. Alright, let's find those two. We are in the trade 29 minutes. Let's just sell one contract
Order
here
filled. Order submitted.
and get our just a few ticks so we can have 4,000 points. Let's not even go that much. What a huge covering in ES and NQ. Dow went up 600 points, 200 points for Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Bigger, and there I was winning a little bit more.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, there's a pullback again, which you can expect on ES and Nasdaq, such a huge run.
Order filled.
Alright, there's our 4,000 points, 4,037. So I'm looking at some stocks, and Tesla is down 47 points. Apache Corporation's to $6.77 a share, $1.48 down today. Google is 5.5% down, $62. Alright, for half hour, and that was a trading stop. We made 4,000 points. We were just buying and selling over here when the prices go out of our bands. Just going what the future tells me or stock, that's all. We traded ES and Nasdaq. It went against us big time, but there was a huge pullback. And there we go, half a run is lost again. Just based on conditions, we don't want to trade over here, ES or Nasdaq. Still didn't get far away from bands. It needs to come at least to here if I want to buy long. So if they go even further, so I can cover and move my price, average price down. So we'll just leave it that way. If I move just to the Unirenko 642 on Nasdaq, let's see what's going to be. These bands we have to we have to be adjusted. Let me move this here. Then those bands will have to be adjusted. It's just different with the time frames. They work different. But as you can see, huge moves either up or down. So that's why we are just for now, conditions in the market are going Let's go to minutes, 2 minutes. And here we are. You can see how far our Nasdaq went, 73, almost 20, made a nice pullback. We're having support in this white area. This is based on 2000 days. Looking back, the settings. And there's our support zone. Looks like we're gonna be in here today. For now we are 7300 to 7500. That's where we're now playing. 7550. So if they would come to maybe somewhere here around this area on ES 2500 and then pull back would be a good sign. But definitely they don't want to break this one here, this bottom. That's a really bad sign. So let's see what they're gonna do. Even if they turn earlier, that would be better. Let's bring back oil. As you can see, there's a resistance forming above our band. It means we could expect some pullback into the bands, maybe to here. Which we can make one more trade.
Order filled.
Pull out a few ticks just like this. Maybe to here.
Order
We
submitted.
have a profit target. 10 ticks. Okay. We're almost there. We got in one tick
Order
right there.
filled.
Okay, well, almost 50 minutes in a trading. I'm sorry, 40 minutes trading session. There's our result, 4127.5 points. We'll see what's going to develop rest of the day. For now it's 7300 to 7550. Nasdaq, as you can see here. Let's take a look for a moment if this works for ES these settings. Every future, every stock has different settings. As you can see, this band was too far for ES, but there was these support zones. Look at how far we are, so this could be just a great buying if it's not too early. This bottom is 23.27. Just let's say 23.20. So hoping it's not gonna go all the way here. That's another 100 points. There was a support for a moment in these, as you can see, these support zones, which they went through. White one was support, bounce. Blue one was support for a day, and then we went through, which I'm hoping is a good area to buy. At least for the bounce. On ES. And then NQ it's this. Having support in this white zone. Next up is right here. 6,800. Alright, well, there's again run up, going long, both ES and NQ. We got our profit again. I believe this 27th day in a row. We did some oil trading, some gold, some ES and Nasdaq. Actually, I don't know if we did gold, I'm not sure now. But definitely CL, ES and Nasdaq. Alright, we'll talk to you in another video.